Explore the newly launched HydeWorkshop.com, the ultimate digital hub designed to decode the matrix, demystify the myth of artificial intelligence, promising to make the new wave of AI accessible and understandable to everyone, from curious beginners to seasoned developers. Far from the fearful, futuristic narratives, Hyde Workshop is dedicated to promoting the positive, practical power of smart technology with the slogan, AI is augmentation, not apocalypse. To celebrate its grand opening and commitment to clarity in tech, the site is featuring its exclusive I Am Not a Bot AI t-shirt on sale now, letting you wear your enthusiasm for the technology.
Hey everyone, come get your free shirt.
Yeah, grab one while supplies last. Check out this design.
For 20, do I hear 25, 25, 30, 35. Going once, going twice, third and final call, sold.
T-shirt sale is happening now. Get this graphic tee and more while supplies last.
Tucked away in an unassuming, in a forgotten corner of the industrial district, masked by a facade of crumbling brick and rusted corrugated steel, lay the clandestine warehouse called HydeWorkshop.com.